Good morning, everyone. So, I welcome you all to the weekly analysis of Forexhunt with new energy, enthusiasm, and dedication. First of all, let's talk about the last week report. We have thrown 5 levels on our YouTube channel that all level worked with 100 pips, 120 pips minimum. After that, we have given some private signals and public signals. So, this is the weekly report that we have given the signals in the private or public group. So basically, the total number of pips we caught were 690 pips from the pinpoint entry. The SLs were as low as 10 pips, 40 pips maximum. We have dedicated our cutting loss method because the market was too much volatile. That's why we focused on cut losses strategy, where we cut our positions at minus 5 pips, 10 pips, 12 pips. So that's how engulfing help you to cut the losses when you are in a floating range. Okay, we do not let our stop loss hit because we already know that that zone gonna break. So this is how we have captured 690 pips in gold. Along with that, we have captured 1600 pips in oil, and we have dedicatedly converted our 50 USD into 893 USD, including the commission. So this is how the total videos has been uploaded. Okay, soon you will get this particular video as well, how we have converted 50 USD into almost 900 USD with the same engulfing method strategy with the smaller lots 0.02, 0.01. So let's understand in this video how we're going to help you to do the weekly analysis in this coming week, along with the risk management appetite and some confirmation analogies. We have announced a beautiful information to you that we have started already a ongoing free mentorship batches for everyone in 3 languages: Hindi, English, and Marathi is in recorded phase. Once it will get recorded and edited, I will also inform you regarding the Marathi batches. Right now, we are running with level 1, level 2, level 3 in English, level 1, level 2, level 3 in Hindi. So, if you are an audience who knows Hindi and English, you can join it for totally free. Not even a single dollars will be charged to you with hidden fee. Okay? So, let's move to the chart and understand the weak levels. So first of all, as you can see, this level of 3388 is the first buy spot level. Okay. Here, when market will come, we will look for the entry. It depends on us. If we are totally new, we have to look for the confirmation entry. So confirmation, I will update you in the coming 5 minutes. So this is an entry where you can take the entry with confirmation or without confirmation. If it breaks, hardly 40 pips will go. This is without confirmation. This is without confirmation. There is one more level at the bottom as well. So I am repeating the prices. 32336, 3236.76 is the lowest buy method. 200 pips can be captured from this area. 3306.91, 80 to 120 pips can be captured from this area. 3356.7, you can capture 100 pips from this area. And coming to this particular point, 3388.9, this is a level. If we can find the confirmation, it can give you 100 200 pips. But if we do not find any confirmation, because this is the first spot of buyers, so it will hardly give you 50 to 60 pips only. Okay, this is the first sellers area, 3480.1. So you can keep 4 pips to the downside. Okay, when market will come to this area, we will look for the confirmation at this particular price, and then we will look for the selling opportunities. For without confirmation entry, this is the without confirmation entry, 3498.8. Okay, this is a daily level. This is a daily level, H4, H4, H4 daily level. So that's why the daily level has a good opportunity, good, like you can say, power to give you 200, 300 pips. Even this point, if works, it can come to this area directly or this area directly. If market is suddenly going upside when Monday opening with a gap up or a gap down, so there are huge possibilities. Market will open with a gap up and it will start going up to the side of 3498. There you will see market is in a bullish mode. Once everyone will feel that market is in a bullish mode, market will go in selling mode. Okay, this is how it works. This is gold. Okay, so another thing, you have to keep your risk management very 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 tight for this week, because there is a war like situation between two like you can say powerful countries, Iran and Iraq. Okay, so these are two powerful countries with nuclear power, oil. So oil has already flew 1600 pips. So you can see gold has a potential to hit all time high this week as well. Okay, my key levels can be used as a reverse key level. Once it breaks, touches, fly. But you need lot of experience. Which candle needs to close above the box, then we can look for the buying opportunities. We already update all these levels in our public or private groups as well. But when it comes to the private, we give you insane opportunities to cut your losses at 5 pips, 10 pips. And even if this breaks, we will give you an opportunity to go for buying position, because we know this is a very powerful area of 5 to 10 pips. Market can drop or market can fly using the same buyers from this spot. Okay, so these are the, you can say, six levels for this coming week. If this levels respects like there are so many chances that out of six last week, 5 out of 5 worked, but this time I can sense like one or two levels can break. But as a trader, you have to keep in your mind that risk management is the most important powerful thing in the world. No system is holy grail. We have to make it holy grail using the risk management approach. Okay, this is how you have to use all these levels. Okay, all these levels with good confidence. Okay, with good risk management, and enjoy these levels. And if you want to join the free private community with proper education setups of 3 4 setups, then you can also contact Miss Juhi for the enrollment details. There are no hidden charges. You can directly DM her. She will guide you out to become a pro member of our community. Okay, the last and the best thing, which confirmations are needed when it comes to taking the trades in the zones. So first of all, you can look for ABC entry that has been already uploaded on the YouTube channel. So basically, what is ABC? When ABC forms, for example, you are looking for a buy opportunity. So first of all, in M5 or M1, you will look for sell fail plus an engulfing buy. So that's how it will be considered as a ABC. You can check out the video that has been already uploaded. Combo entry is basically M1, M5, M5, M15. Sell fail plus engulfing buy at the same spot. Okay, that's called combo entry. Hidden engulfing we teach you in the private, okay, for free. If you want to join the hidden engulfing method, you can. Trajectory method is also the thing that we teach in the private. If you want to join, you can join for free. Okay, but these are very simple. Okay, there is no such indicators, or you can say the price action in line chart or these and that. Okay, simple engulfings. What is the risk management approach for you as a beginner? If you are a newbie with $100, okay, capital, use 0.012 entries, maximum stop loss 40 to 50 pips. Okay, and your TP should be aiming at 40 pips first TP, 80 pips second TP. Even though you can directly aim for 80 pips as your first TP, total close. Okay, if you have a capital of 250 USD, go with 0.022 entries. Okay, so basically, in this entry, if you have 0.022 entries, you have two certain things. At 40 pips, you will close one, and at 120 pips, you can close the whole. But if you want to take some parcels, you can take 0.01 at 80 pips as well, and the remaining 0.01 at 0.120 pips. But if you have 500 USD, so go with 0.052 entries plus 0.022 entries. Okay, so in total, it is 0.14. So here you will split your entries in three portions: 40 pips, 80 pips, 120 pips. So you can simply say 0.06 here, 0.06 here, and 0.02 here. This is how you can be a good risk and reward player. Multiply your balance. If you have 1000, 2000, 4000, so just multiply 500 into your capital. For example, it is 1000 USD, so you will go with 0.28 lots. Okay, but do not layer. Okay, layering is a cancer. For example, this is the price. Simply take your entry over here only, not like this, because in layering there is no calculated losses, and trading is all about taking calculated losses and calculated estimated profits. If you will not do the calculated stop losses, you will not do with the calculated losses or profits, you will be very, it will be very difficult to become a profitable trader. No layering is a cartoon is a profitable trader in my like image. Okay, yes, if people have a good amount of balance in that particular case, he can be a profitable trader doing layering across his particular zone. There are some methods, but if you are doing layering on 500, 1000, 2000 USD, there is a saying, you cannot be profitable because layering is cancer. Okay, but if you have a small account holder, go with pinpoint entries. Even with 50% accuracy, you will be profitable. Okay, there are some suggestions from my side. Never let FOMO enter a running candle. If you see M1 is going up, 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 do not jump for buying entries because it can blow your capital. Okay, you will think like market is going up, let's enter. No, that's totally wrong. Market is creating a situation like this so that you can enter into the trade, but you do not have to enter. You have to become a warrior. Focus on your zones. If market comes to your zone and you miss the entry, let it be missed. No problem. But if it comes to your zone, do not miss your entry. Take your entry. Okay? If price runs 20 30 pips from your zone and then you think like it gonna go up, okay, let's enter now. Do not enter. Okay? Market can reverse from 20 30 pips area. I will break even my positions and you will think like you are not break even your positions. So it will lead to major losses. Do not do intention buying and selling. Okay, what happens in intuition buying and selling? You think market can go up, market can go down, and you enter into a trade. So basically market will go in range. You will be very 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 frustrated. Okay, you will start blaming god, you will start blaming your relatives, you will start blaming your kids or wife or girlfriend, anything. So this is called intuition buying and selling. Do not let your emotions enter a running trade. Do not let your emotions help you buying and selling. There are methods, strategies, proven strategies, engulfing, or so many strategies in the world that help you to understand where to buy, where to sell. Do not go with the intuition based and M1, M5 based buying and selling. That's totally wrong. Be a warrior at forex trading. Do not change bias on an entry. If you have hidden stop loss at some sell level, so do not try to enter for buy. Simply market can do a fake out of 5 10 pips and then it will start dropping down and you will be in minus for the sell as well and the buy as well. This is how fake out works. Okay, remember the word fake out. It helps to blow your capital very quickly. It will break your sell first and then you will see that I'm going buy and then it will suddenly drop and kill your account. So all these things you do not have to follow. Okay, and become profitable in no longer time. If you want to join our like private signal group, you can join. We are giving only pinpoint entries with fixed stop losses and good risk reward. We are giving you free education. If you want to join that particular education, just join it. Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time. Let's meet you in the next weekly analysis or in the private group where we are teaching you the best methods for free. Okay, people are really charging 1000 to 1000 USD for such simple and the complex method as well. Okay, so I am here to help you out if you are Indian, Marathi, or you are using English language. Okay, see you soon in the private. Thank you so much.